Magandang araw. Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-renew ng Professional Regulation Commission or PRC ID for the first time, since renewal for the second time already requires Continuing Professional Development or CPD. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing to the channel or liking the video. Salamat! Now, without further delay, let's get started. Open a browser, search for PRC and select Licensure Examination and Registration Information System or LERIS. Or you can just simply type in the browser online that prc.gov.ph. Once inside, tap Proceed to see the privacy notice. You can read the notice, and once you're done, scroll to the very bottom and click I have read, understood, and agree with the PRC privacy notice. Click it. There will be another PRC notice pop up. Read it, scroll down, then click Close. Another step-by-step pop-up will appear. Tap Close again. Now we are finally here. To renew, let's log in first. Scroll below and click Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then tap I'm not a robot. After that, click Sign In. An appointment slots are free. Pop-up will appear. Tap Proceed. Now we're inside our PRC account. To renew, scroll down and click Select Transaction. Please read the important reminder to avoid delay or disapproval, and make sure to follow the photo requirements shown. Once you've completed all the requirements, tap I agree, then click Proceed. Another advisory pop-up will appear. If it doesn't apply to you, click OK. Then another advisory will show up. Click the OK button again. There are different types of transactions here, but since today's video is all about PRC ID renewal, let's tap Renewal. Select your profession. Let's search for professional teacher. Once found, tap it. Then enter your PRC license number in the input field. After that, click Proceed. Renewing your ID has 4 steps. First is appointment. Let's select our preferred PRC regional office. I'll input PRC Dumaguete. Please take note that there is a 450 peso fee, and also check your new expiration date. Now scroll below to see the transaction details. By default, a date and time are already scheduled. If the earliest appointment date doesn't work for you, you can select another date by clicking the button below. Choose your desired date, but in this case, I'm fine with the appointment they gave, so let's just tap Cancel. Now, to proceed to step 2, click Next. We are now in additional details. Enter your current employer if you are employed. For this example, let's select Self-Employed. Now continue by clicking Next. We are now at the 3rd step, Select Payment Channel. If you pay at the PRC cashier, there is no convenience fee. But in this video, I will pay using Maribank, formerly Cbank. Let's tap the first option. Please note that there is an 8 peso convenience fee. Click OK. To proceed, click Next. We are now on the last part, Submit Transaction. Please take note that your information cannot be edited after you submit your application. So thoroughly review for any misspellings or incorrect capitalization. If everything looks good, click Submit Application. There will be a confirmation message. Tap Yes. Now let's pay for our renewal. Since we will be paying via Maribank, I'll select QRPH. Tap it. Then I'm going to scan this QR code and pay with my Maribank app. After a successful payment, we will be redirected to the transaction details page. Now let's go back to see our renewal transaction. Go to Existing Transactions, and here you can view your payment details. Print your renewal form, preview your soon-to-be renewed ID, and access your electronic official receipt. So that's how simple it is. If you found this video useful, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you and God bless.